Water is often seen as a gentle substance, but when it is accelerated to high speeds, it can become a powerful cutter. Water jet cutters are used in a variety of industries to cut through a wide range of materials, including metal, plastic, glass, and even concrete. Water jet cutters are very precise, and they can produce very clean cuts. One of the most interesting things about water jet cutting is that it can be used to cut through materials that would be difficult or impossible to cut with other methods. For example, water jet cutters can be used to cut through titanium, which is a very strong metal. They can also be used to cut through glass, which is a very brittle material. The first water jet cutter was invented in 1964 by Dr. Norman Franz. Water jet cutters are used to cut everything from jewelry to aircraft parts. The world's largest water jet cutter can cut through steel that is up to 12 inches thick. Water jet cutting is a very precise process, and it can produce cuts that are within a few thousandths